Guys, we have finally hit the 5,000 subscriber and 1 million view lifetime across the channel mark. And so what we're gonna do right now is a two-piece giveaway for November because we hit 5,000. We're currently at like 5,021 subscribers and over 1 million views lifetime across the channel. So I'm gonna get everything set up. We're gonna look at the items I'm giving away. And as always, if you're wearing on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes the music. So, sorry about that, guys. Hang on a second. So, as I was standing here, sorry for that little interruption. So I was standing here, I got a doorbell notification just as I was hitting the button. I got a package from Russell. So I have some more sea snakes in here that are gonna go out to reviewers. But that's not what we're gonna talk about. We are gonna talk about December's giveaway. So we're gonna do this, it's gonna be a little bit longer. Just to get the rules out of the way, US-based members only. I apologize. It's YouTube's rules on giveaways and commerce. I can't do it internationally. That's one of the new rules. I apologize. I think Canada, Mexico, maybe I can get away with it. But at this time, US-based only. Because I just don't have to pay that much in shipping. So your comment is your entry. US-based customers only. 1 comment per, please. I do filter that. But then if it seems as though somebody's trying to load the comment section, I will disqualify that person. So we're going to give away 2 items. So I'm thinking we're going to take a good close look at them from above. I think you may have seen these knives already, but we have 2 items and they are both custom knives. I'm giving away 2 full custom knives. And they are both nice in their own way, equally nice in their own way. One of them's not a knife that I really appreciate, but other people have appreciated it. And the maker's pretty well known. So let's go ahead and let's turn this around and let's look at what we're giving away. So, new tripod, different perspective. We're a lot higher up. I think this is gonna be good. I think this is really gonna be good. I'm still trying to get this figured out, guys, so be patient with me, but you get to see the whole counter now. So we have 2 items, 4 giveaways. 1 is a custom fixed blade, 1 is a custom folder. Both really nice knives. Let's look at the first one. So this is going to be the first place prize. Personally, I think I'm making it first place because it speaks more to me as a country boy. This is a full custom stag handled hunting knife that is super comfortable, guys. This is a great little knife. It is a Chesterman from what I can only see as what looks to me like Nebraska City, New England. I'm not sure exactly what I'm not sure exactly what that exactly says. However, this knife is ridiculously sharp, super nice. The handles on it are just about perfect for a hunting knife. Pinned construction, full tang, really well matched stag handles. They match the pattern really well. Lanyard hole, and this one is going to come, I'm pretty sure, with a lanyard that I have here if I can find it. I cannot promise that the lanyard will go because we have been moving things around. Yeah, look at that. Custom fixed blade hunting knife stag handles. You can't just barely even feel the transition on that bolster. You see the bolster's been pinned and polished. So there, and the sheath. Really nice leather belt sheath, really well stitched. It's obviously been hand done. This is a really nice knife. So there's that. Now, this is a full custom handmade Moorish designs. Get the mosaic pin. Tonto. A lot of people do like this knife. I'm not a big fan of Tontos. I will say this knife, super thin. And it has a true Tonto style swell right here at the transition point, more like akin to a Japanese style Tonto. Titanium, full titanium scales on the lock scale, lightning strike carbon fiber with a glass breaker / lanyard hole on the end. A little bit of file work done there. This is a knife that I have had for a little while now. It is, like I said, Sam Moorish made. Nice little small pocket knife, broad blade, nice and thin, and it gets so sharp. So this is second place. We're gonna do 2 drawings. First person will get this. The second person I pick will get this. So we're doing 2 items this month. So yeah, let's turn this around and finish talking. So, like I said, this is a thank you to you guys that have made this possible. The members, you are going to get a special giveaway that I'm going to film shortly. If you're not a member and you want to think about becoming a member in the month of December, you may want to, because this month I'm giving the members, because we had such a big month, I'm giving the members one of my sea snakes. So I'm going to make that video public, but the entry is, oh, well, no, I won't. I'm sorry. That's going to be for members only. So if you want to become a top tier member, premium tier member, that's who's getting that, because they truly purchased this tripod. All the money that I got from YouTube has been kicked back into the channel here recently. The tripod, not a cheap tripod, but as you can see, we have a different perspective. It's a little smoother, easier to use, and I think this is going to help. I can do some different things with this. I'm going to shoot a couple videos today, but the members that are the premium and basic tier members, those guys are all entered automatically into the giveaway I'm doing. I am going to do an OD Green Sea Snake giveaway for those members. So, guys, you know what I'm going to say. I love you all. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.